Hey insiders, welcome to another insider vlog. This time I am showing you how I do my daughter's favorite hairstyle when I want to straighten it and give it some curls. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing I do is part her hair into 4 sections so I can then detangle it, and then it will be easier for me to wash. So this is how her hair looks after I finish parting it into the 4 sections. Now for the fun part, the detangling process. I saturate her hair by using Curly Kid Super Detangling Spray. Then I go in with the Kinky Curly Not Today Detangling Gel, which works wonders. Oh my god, this product is so good. I then detangle her hair with a wide tooth comb and braid it down so it can stay in place. And I do this for each section of her hair. Now we are ready to wash. So I didn't film me washing her hair because I felt like it was unnecessary, but this is her hair after it's been washed, still curly and thick as ever. I then go in with the ORS olive oil to moisturize her hair and prepare it to be blow dried. Here's all this hair that I blow dried out, and it's ready to be flat ironed. I use BTZ, turn up the heat. I love this product as well. Here I'm just parting her hair to start the flat ironing process. And voila, this is her hair when it's flat ironed, so silky and smooth. We decided on a side part for her hair. So this is me parting her hair. I take my parts very seriously. This is how I curl her hair, still using the flat iron. I believe that flat irons create a better curl than regular curling irons in my opinion, but you know, to each its own. Now you know we have to lay those edges down. So after I curl her hair, I use Murray's Beeswax and a soft brush to smooth down the edges of her hair. To top it off, I use the African Pride Olive Miracle Spray to add some extra shine and moisture. And here is the finished look. Curls for the girls. Yes, Jada, yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you would like to see more kids hair tutorials like this one, click the subscribe button. Until next time.